Electric trucks need less maintenance, so why does after-sales matter more than ever? For every truck operator, uptime is what matters. Renault Trucks customers have been operating electric vehicles for several years now, with thousands of trucks servicing across Europe and UK, clocking up millions of electric miles. So let's zero in on how electric trucks are looked after and how they're supported once they're on the road.
What's different in the workshop?
So what's the difference when an electric vehicle actually comes into the workshop? With electric vehicles, you've got high voltage systems, you've got battery technologies, you've got the electric drivetrain alongside the rest of the vehicle's architecture. So this changes how the vehicles have to be looked after, and more importantly, who looks after the vehicles. Across the Renault Trucks dealer network, our workshops are equipped to specifically look after electric vehicles and ensure that your uptime still remains key. That includes investment in EV-ready bays, specialist equipment, and clearly defined high-voltage safety procedures. Technicians working on e-tech vehicles complete dedicated training. This covers high-voltage safety, battery systems, electric driveline components, and how those systems integrate with the rest of the vehicle.
We see quite a lot of them now, so we know what to expect. We've all done the training.
The workshops, equipment, and people are already trained and prepared to support them as part of everyday operations, which is exactly what customers need when uptime matters.
Why are connected trucks transforming after sales?
Connected after sales is about visibility, seeing how a truck is performing whilst it's out working, not just when it comes into the workshop. Across the Renault Trucks after sales network, connected services are already used to monitor vehicle condition and plan maintenance. For e-tech vehicles, that includes battery condition, system status, and performance data, all available remotely while the truck is in operation. This information feeds into Predict, Renault Trucks' connected service designed to maximise uptime by identifying early-stage issues and before any fault codes are present, allowing us to intervene and prevent any unplanned stops.
It helps reduce downtime on the vehicles because you've got the parts that you need before the vehicle's even off the road.
It's about keeping maintenance planned, disruption low, and vehicles on the road.
How do you protect the vehicle's batteries?
Long-term performance on an electric truck comes down to managing risk and wear over time. The battery is the lifeblood of an electric vehicle, so its condition is top priority. As part of routine servicing, our technicians carry out detailed battery health inspections. These include checking the battery's physical condition, its available energy capacity, and how the thermal management systems are performing. These checks help ensure the battery is performing reliably over time to ensure your range, performance, and long-term durability. Battery health is also supported through monitoring. In electric trucks, Predict provides 24/7 visibility of battery condition and performance while the truck is in operation, helping identify potential issues early and reduce the risk of unexpected downtime. Alongside battery maintenance, there's also everyday wear and tear to consider. With electric trucks, there's simply less of it. There's no fuel, there's no engine oil, there's no AdBlue, there's no oil filter, and there's no exhaust after-treatment systems. Electric vehicles also have far less moving parts, which means that wear and failure points over time are inevitably reduced. Add regen braking into the mix, and that also reduces mechanical brake wear, which means maintenance is more predictable. What makes the difference is the strength and the coverage of our dealer network, with trained technicians to do the job, workshops equipped to do the job, and connected services to better plan your maintenance. That's why for Renault Trucks, electric is just business as usual.